One watermelon seed. That's the name of the book. Max and Josephine planted a garden. They planted one watermelon seed and it grew. They planted two pumpkin seeds and they grew. Max planted three eggplants and they grew. Josephine planted four pepper seeds and they grew. Then she planted five tomato plants and they grew. Max planted six blueberry bushes and they grew. And seven strawberry plants and they grew. Josephine planted eight bean seeds and they grew. And nine seed potatoes and they grew. They planted 10 corn seeds and they grew. The rain fell, the sun shone, the seeds and the leaves, the stalks and the vines grew and grew and grew. Max and Josephine weeded and watered and waited. One day they looked at their garden and saw there was plenty to pick, so they picked 10 watermelons big and green, 20 pumpkins glowing orange. Max picked 30 eggplants dark and purple, 40 peppers shiny and yellow. They both picked 50 tomatoes plump and juicy, and 60 blueberries small and round. Josephine picked 70 strawberries sweet and red. Max picked 80 string beans thin and crisp. Josephine dug 90 potatoes knobby and brown, and they picked 100 ears of corn. It was not ordinary corn. Max and Josephine saved it for cold winter nights when the garden was covered with snow. Then they turned it into hundreds and thousands of big, white, crunchy puffs because that corn was popcorn. Look inside the garden, fruits and vegetables. So we see watermelon, tomatoes, eggplant, yellow pepper, strawberry, pumpkin, corn, blueberry, potato, so many vegetables and fruits. Can you find any of these creatures? So when you go outside in a garden, can you find these creatures? Butterfly or a caterpillar or even a bird or a mouse or any of these creatures that you see in the picture?